what's inside. Horrible Windows XP computer. These are actually glued. These IDE connectors, they're glued. You see the glue? Right there. Glued, hot glued on. 256 RAM. Look at the nice CPU fan. Shitty power supply. This one turns on but it won't boot. Maxter, 80 gigabyte. Let's see. This one does not boot at all. I'm just parting it out. DVD drive now. Motherboard screws, special. Get this guy out. And take the processor off. Back panel's junk. I was gonna like sell this case. I don't know, I got a Windows Pro serial on, I'm gonna say that. I needed a DVD-ROM though. Toshiba might work. I'm praying it does. I'm praying it works because I need one. I don't want to buy one. I gotta get the chip out. Oh, there's this other cool screw. I gotta get the standoffs up there next. Floppy drive, you save it. Oh, look at that. Who does this? There's nasty people around here. Nasty. Shitty computer. Build your own computer. I have to whip out the snap-on. This 5mm socket to get the standoffs off. It's probably worth more than this whole computer. Yeah, I'm really stripping this. All these parts are good. Where to buy this stuff? It all adds up. I'm praying to the computer god for weeks. And I'm not shitting you. Finding an IDE DVD-ROM, IDE hard drive. Well, I already bought a new one, and really just for the screws and the hardware. I'm running extremely low on this hardware, and now I'm gonna be good for years. Very happy. Standoff. Yeah, we're gonna do these better. My new series. Not starting off very well. We need like a tripod. Need no noise in the background. And, we can make this awesome. This is probably not even worth it, this case. If someone wants to build a sleeper case. I'll throw it out there though. Yeah. Puerto Rico made RAM. This thing gets so hot. Hello, heatsink. It looks blued. Controller. This one doesn't even boot. Alright, now I gotta strip down Hulk. Boards. Cooler master. Got our drives. I got a chip on there. That board is shot though. That whole controller heatsink was off of it. That's an Asus board. That's weird. Shot though. I think an Intel Celeron is no good. It's probably like a Pentium, I don't know. Single core, I don't think it's dual core. Floppy drive. There's a blue floppy drive in here. I don't know, I probably should grab it. I don't know. I'm gonna list these things. Someone wants 2 shitty cases. No way it takes them in a week. They don't have any for scrap.